Why are computer worms so dangerous for your OS? Imagine a tiny intruder sneaking into your computer and spreading chaos without you even noticing. That's what a computer worm can do to your operating system. These are self-replicating malware programs that don't need your help to spread. They look for weaknesses in your operating system or network and then infect other devices automatically. Unlike viruses, which need you to open a file or click a link, worms move on their own. They scan networks for open ports or vulnerable software and then jump from one system to another in seconds. This rapid spread can cause a lot of damage very quickly. Once inside, worms can eat up your computer's resources, slow down your network, or even crash your system. They can delete important files, steal sensitive information, or create backdoors for hackers to get in later. This makes your entire system less secure and more prone to attacks. Worms often exploit specific vulnerabilities in operating systems. For example, the WannaCry worm used a flaw in the Windows Server Message Block Protocol to infect thousands of computers worldwide. Because worms can stay hidden and keep replicating, they are very hard to remove. Cleaning up a worm infection can take weeks or even months, especially if it has created backdoors. Different operating systems have different weak points. Windows, Linux, and macOS X all have their own vulnerabilities that worms can target. That's why keeping your system updated with the latest security patches is so important. Good security features like firewalls, strong passwords, and user access controls help prevent worms from getting in. When a worm infects your operating system, it can overload your CPU and memory by creating many copies of itself. This slows down your computer and can cause crashes. It can also saturate your network bandwidth, making it impossible to browse the internet or use online services. Worms can delete or corrupt files, which might lead to data loss. They can also open backdoors, giving hackers remote control of your device. This allows them to run malicious programs, steal your data, or launch attacks on other systems. Because worms spread automatically and quickly, they pose a serious threat to your computer's stability and security. Protecting your operating system with regular updates, strong security measures, and cautious online habits is the best way to stop worms before they cause harm.